Hello there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make account public on TikTok. First guys, you need to go on your profile section by typing on the profile action on your right side. Then you need to go on the three dots on your right upper side and you need to go for settings and privacy. Right after that you need to go for the second selection, the privacy set. Then as you can see on the first section, it is private account and this is turned on. That means that your account is not public right now. What we need to do to get it public, we need just simply to go and turn off this button, and if I go with it, it will change to public content or account, and it says if you switch to a public account, anyone can watch your videos and answers your questions from public videos. Now, as you can see, here it is, the description from TikTok supporting team. Now what I need to do is just simply click on confirm on the second selection, and that's it guys. Now our account, as you can see, it is public. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.